Hello, YouTube fam. Get ready for an amazing video experience. Hello and a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into Ochsenkopf Fichtel Mountains. The Ochsenkopf is the second highest mountain in the Fichtel Mountains with a height of 1024 meters. On its summit is an observation tower, the Asenturm, and a transmission tower for VHF and TV programs by Bayerischer Rundfunk. There are cable cars to the Ochsenkopf from south and north. The valley stations are, in the north, in the village of Bischofsgrün, and, in the south, in Fleckl, part of the municipality of Warmensteinach. In winter there is skiing on the Ochsenkopf. In summer a sommerrodelbahn dry toboggan run can be used. This is accessible from the northern valley station. In addition, since July 2007 there has been a tree walk Kletterwald that can be used by individuals or groups. The White Main, the right-hand, northern headstream of the river Main, rises just a short distance to the east of the mountain, above the village of Fichtelberg, as does the Fichtelnaab, a headstream of the Naab. The European Watershed also runs over the mountain. The Naab flows south towards the Danube, the Main west to the Rhine. As we venture forward, let's take a closer look at origin of the name and its impact on our understanding. The name Ochsenkopf does not appear in old descriptions of the mountains. The first person to write about the Fichtelberg, Matthias von Chemnitz, actually Matthias Widmann, the 23 February 1429 in Chemnitz, reported in 1476, a mountain, high, wide and well known, lies in Bavaria, known as the Fichtelberg. In descriptions of the border in 1499 and 1536 the mountain is called Fichtelberg. Thereafter the name was extended to the whole mountain region. It is also mentioned in old documents. Around 1317 the lords of Hirschberg were entwurft inter alia with the Walt Zudem Weidenberg. By the 14th century iron ore was being extracted in the Street Thief pit on the southern foot of the Ochsenkopf. 5 feet Fichtel. High-profile local history and name researchers have still not had the last word. The name Ochsenkopf appeared in mining deeds for the first time in 1495, when Lorenz von Plowen from Nuremberg was given the mine on the Fichtelberg near the Ochsenkopf as a fief. That may be the first reference to the head of a steer carved into a rock on the summit, which can still be seen today. Now, let's shift our focus to the Asenturm and embark on an intellectual exploration of its various dimensions. In 1878, on the foundation of the Fichtelberg section of the German-Austrian Alpine Club, predecessor of the Fichtelberg Club, there was already an observation post on the Ochsenkopf for wooden structure for the Ordnance Survey. In 1876, a stone survey column had been erected, a Saxon survey post, still there today and surrounded with a wooden scaffold. Later this scaffold was adapted as an observation tower and raised a little in height, but in 1894 the structure was reported as very rickety. The Fichtelberg Club Fichtelbergsverein or FGV restored the structure time and again. In 1896, Master Forester List from Bischofsgrün modified the tower and it was raised by 10 meters. On 21 December 1902 the local FGV group in Bischofsgrün applied to the main office for the construction of a robust stone tower and transferred a basis of 230 marks as a first estimate. A tower was decided upon, but it was many years before the project could proceed, the First World War putting paid to the plans initially. Not until 1922 did the FGV annual general meeting. In the upcoming section, we'll be dissecting villages around the Ochsenkopf and exploring its intricate connections to our topic. Bischofsgrün, Fichtelberg, Warmensteinach. Get ready for a captivating exploration as we unravel the layers of the TV tower and their profound significance. The Ochsenkopf transmitter is a 163 m radio and TV tower of reinforced concrete, which was built in 1958 on the summit of the Ochsenkopf. The tower replaced a convert guide steel tube TV mast that collapsed in January 1958 as a result of icing. The tower, which is not accessible to the public, has a hyperbolic-shaped basement with 5 floors for technical equipment. Above it, there are platforms for directional antennas. The antennas for frequency modulation transmission are on the upper part of the concrete tower, and those for TV transmission on a steel tube mast on the top. It transmits TV programs from ARD, ZDF, and Bayerischer Rundfunk. With our curiosity piqued, let's embark on a dedicated exploration of Ochsenkopf lifts and its fascinating intricacies. The Ochsenkopf summit is served by two chairlifts built by the Italian cable car manufacturer Leitner from Sterzing. In winter they serve the skiing area on the mountain. Brace yourself for a captivating discussion on Ochsenkopf North chairlift as we explore its nuances and implications. The Ochsenkopf North chairlift is a detachable double chairlift with weather shield Tuchtlub that runs from Bischofsgrün in the Fichtelberg Mountains in Germany to the summit of the Ochsenkopf. It was built in 1991. In summer there is a sommerrodelbahn dry toboggan run on the mountain which is accessible from the middle station of the chairlift. Let's zoom in on Ochsenkopf South chairlift and understand its implications. The Ochsenkopf South chairlift is a detachable double chairlift with weather shield Tuchtlub that runs from Warmensteinach in the Fichtelberg Mountains in Germany to the summit of the Ochsenkopf. It was built in 1997. In summer, cyclists can transport their bicycles to the summit on the lift and bike down the mountain bike single-track route below the chairlift. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more valuable content.